Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and you need to click on the messenger icon on the top. From here you need to select any conversation and you simply need to swipe up in the conversation, and here you can see in the bottom swipe up to turn on vanish mode and you need to release that. So now you can see that vanish mode is turned on. And how you can turn off, you simply need to swipe again and you need to release, and now you can see that vanish mode turn off. So this is the process how you can turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.